Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent fly is back.
What's up? You checking out the flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. We had some litter bugs out here, I guess. See some litter out here on the field, but I'm out here with the birds and everything chirping. Beautiful day. It's not morning this time, it's midday, and I just had the urge to bring my little eagle out. It's a little beat up and everything. This guy got lost and then recovered, and so it was gone for about maybe 4 weeks or something. But now it's back in effect. Shout out to Spidey, my guy, my wingman. So I'm gonna put this guy up in the air. Might have some other birds of prey out here that might be offended by him flying, but we're gonna get him in the air anyway. Let's take it up. If I remember anything about this little plane, is that it glides exceptionally well. So we're gonna toss it in the air. I don't even think this is the stock battery that I have in here. In fact, I know it's not. Hopefully it does good enough though. Let's see. Oh man, he tried to go down on me, y'all. Oh man. When I let it go, it tries to go down on me. I think the gyro needs to be set better. Oh man. I tried to I forgot this thing is a 3-channel, and so it's not as versatile as a 4-channel would be. But what happened is I think I had the gyro set. I had the plane aiming downward when I first turned it on, so we're going to turn it off and turn it back on with the bird tilted up slightly, because I don't know how to reset the gyro when it's already bound and everything. So we're going to try it again. Turn it on. Oh man, we lost the prop, guys. That might be the end of our fun. Sheesh. Unbelievable. Didn't get this guy up in the air for long. That's going to be like finding a needle in a haystack. Yep, so I guess we're going to have to come back with another prop. Well, we back in business, y'all. It's amazing what a little prayer can do. I found our prop, and so hopefully I'll be able to fly it without it tilting downwards. Now let's try it. Oh, don't look like it. It still wants to tilt down. Man, so I'm learning that you just have to come off the throttle to get this guy to turn better. Oh, I'm wearing the tree, fellas and gals. We're in the tree. Unbelievable. And this guy got lost before. And I think the prop came off of it too. Alright y'all, so I got a new propeller on it. And I got a new battery too as well. Hopefully this battery held out because I had it charged up maybe 2 days already. Let's try it again, y'all. The wind is blowing. It might be a little too windy for this bird. Not in the tree, y'all. Not in the tree. Yeah, it's acting weird on me. She's trying to dive down for some reason. I don't know why. Why, plane? Why? I think I gotta recalibrate her. Yeah, she's definitely acting weird. Let me bring her back around. I'm scared to let her hit the ground too hard. I'm scared to let her hit the grass too hard because I'll lose the prop. Let me bring her over here to the dirt. That way I can see the prop. She's flying great like this. Slow flight. Oh, she went down. Let's check and see what's going on with her. Why is she flying like this? I have no idea. I'm gonna unplug it and then I'm gonna lean it upwards, see if that'll help with the recalibration. Hopefully she'll think that this is the way it's supposed to be. Let's see. I don't know what these two buttons down here do, but I'm holding it up to try to initialize it this way. Let's see. Can I do a recalibration or something? Don't know how to, but let's up and down. Okay. Hopefully it'll fly straight now. Let's see. She's still trying to fly down. I don't understand why. Why it's trying to fly down. Yeah, it wants to fly down. When I let go of the throttle, when I let go of the elevator, it flies down. Now I'm guessing the prop probably flew off, and that might be the end of our fun again. Don't know, the prop is still on it. These props are black, they're small. I have no idea why it's not. Let me see if these buttons down here do anything. I think these are trim buttons. Let me see if I hit. I don't know what the buttons do. Let's see. Try it again. Okay, she seems to be flying a little better now since I hit that button. Then again, I don't know. She is flying towards the tree. Yeah, she's still trying to fly down. Oh, don't hit the tree. Let me slow down with her. Yeah, I think, oh, As soon as I let go of the throttle, she wants to go down. Oh, come on, don't go towards the tree. Okay, I'm coming back around. Yeah, I think she just wants to be flown like this. Check it out. Just a light throttle. She just wants to soar. Whoa! Yeah, this is a 3-channel, y'all. If you ask me, the 3 channels are harder to fly than the 4 channels because you have less controls. You can't do what you want to do easier to me. See if we can get it to turn around without incident. I'm afraid to try a loop or anything because I don't want this thing to get put in the tree. As long as I don't go too hard on the throttle, it flies great. When I start going too high on the throttle, it doesn't want to give me the good differential thrust. And it makes sense. The differential thrust on this bird is what makes it do its turns. It's what leans it. One prop spins faster than the other to give you differential thrust. And so when you're riding it full throttle, it seems like you have less turn ability. And so with less turn ability, it tends to want to go straight and wants to head towards the trees and all. So you have to slow this bird down in order to get it to lean to one side. Let's try to turn her around. Yeah, I'm afraid to try to do a loop with it. Oh, I tried not to. I was a little afraid to give it too much throttle. I was thinking that it was going to go in the tree, but I think that might have just ended our fun because these nasty crashes with this little bird on the grass tends to yank one of the props out, and finding one of those props is like finding a needle in a haystack out here. And so that's why I was saying I would rather crash it in the dirt. It looks like we have the prop still on it. So I'm going to toss it one more time. Looks like a real bird in the air. Yeah, I gotta remember to come off throttle in order to get a nice clean turn. I think I'm definitely gonna make this bird into a 4-channel because I don't like I don't like not being able to turn as I want to, as I would like to, as hard as I would like to. So I'm gonna let it glide down. Oh, let me get towards the. Oh, I tried to get to the the dirt. I almost forgot, but that seemed like it was a soft enough landing for this little thing to keep its props, and it has its props. And so that's it. A quick little flight. Well, a few flights actually. I really like the looks of this little bird. And I think that's what really intrigues me about it. You know, it's a 3-channel, so not as much control as I would like, but I plan to turn this into a 4-channel. And I was debating on, should I, you know, put the ailerons there on the wings as normal planes have, or should I try to do something with the tail right there to make it more like a bird? Because, you know, birds, they use their tails a lot to steer themselves and all. You know, they move their little tail feathers around to control their flight and all of that stuff. So let me know in the comments which one you think I should do on the modification of turning this into a 4-channel plane. On that note, we out. Thanks for watching.